Good morning, everybody. My name is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side, and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, we're taking a look at the brand new 2023 Kona EV. This is the first time we got green lighted to sell the Kona EV in Georgia. It's a pretty cool vehicle. I just took it out for a spin. Nice options and everything on the vehicle. When you get inside, pretty similar interface as the gasoline Kona. Power seats do come standard. This is the SE model here, and you'll have a full digital display in the center here for you, and your standard layout there for your steering wheel. 8-inch display touchscreen. Same thing we got on a lot of our different cars here. I like the finishes here. You have this like kind of a brushed aluminum type thing, but very, very simple, easy laid out and everything. PRND buttons there, and then you have your heated seats, which come standard. Nice car overall. This will kind of be your sub 40 if you're looking for that electric car. If you have any questions or concerns on these cars or anything else, feel free to call or text me directly. My cell phone number is 603-858-4511. Again, my name is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. Take care of each other out there. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.